Welcome back. Time now for Great Day Law. Every month we like to check in with our friend, Lawyer the Lawyer, aka Lawyer Twilly, and he has great legal advice.
Yeah, and with the 4th of July celebrations coming up this weekend, he's here with some important things to keep in mind. Thanks for joining us, Lawyer Twilly. Good to see you.
Thank you for having me. Good to see you both.
All right, so we're talking fireworks.
Yes.
I feel like it's a bad idea.
I just think that, you know, I love the professionals who do it, and I like to stand from a distance and watch it, but you start getting kids in the backyard with fireworks.
Makes me nervous.
It just makes me nervous.
Yeah, you know, it's something that most people don't really think too hard into, but you have to be aware, sort of like hosting a social party and having alcohol. You need to be aware that if you're going to be letting off fireworks in your yard and you have children, that anything that happens on your property is your responsibility.
I'm liable for it.
You are liable for it. I would urge people to make sure that their policies are in good shape.
Like, what do you check? Do I cover fireworks?
No, well, you
I don't even
check
know.
for
Are they
limits.
legal in this? I know they're
Some
for
are.
sale.
Some
are, right?
Yeah.
Some are. So that's a whole different thing. If you buy some illegal fireworks,
And bring them in. I mean, you're looking at criminal charges, but with regard to exposure and liability, it doesn't necessarily enhance your liability. But as far as coverages go, just make sure you have enough bodily injury liability coverage. And it also would be a good time to check to see if you have what's called medical payments coverage. It's super inexpensive. You can get it on your auto, but you can also have it as a part of your homeowner's policy.
Okay.
You might pay for a year, maybe you paid $25, and you might have like $5,000 worth of coverage, which can cover you, cover your deductibles. Like if you have a high copay or a high deductible on your private health insurance, it would cover that.
And yeah,
So it's good coverage.
So a kid gets injured.
Yes.
What happens?
And what do you do first?
What do you do first?
Obviously, call 911, make sure the kid is okay, but you're going to want to put your insurance carrier on notice.
Okay, like call your insurance right away,
Call
just
your
as if you got in a
insurance.
car accident.
Yep.
Your homeowner's insurance.
Your homeowner's insurance, let them know what happened. That way they can start to protect you and make sure everything is
What
in
if you're
order.
friends with the people and you say, oh, we can handle this on our own? That's usually a bad idea. Okay.
Bad idea. Especially if there are burns involved. Oftentimes with fireworks, that's an injury or eyes getting taken out.
Oh gosh.
Don't cover it on your own. Don't do it behind the scenes. Just talk to your homeowner's insurance.
Parents can be held responsible if their child injures someone with fireworks?
Yes, yes.
So if your
Anything-
kid goes somewhere and lights off a bunch of fireworks, maybe like in a backyard or on a beach, you're not around, I
you're
could be
exposed.
liable?
Yes, absolutely.
Because they're my kid.
Yeah, so if they cause damage to somebody and they injure somebody, they're your kid. You're their parent and their responsibility.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's really remarkable.
Yeah.
So again, let the professionals do it. Stay safe.
Even if it's not on your property, if your kid does something, then
Correct.
Okay, so you got to talk to your kids and be like, don't be lighting off fireworks.
Yeah,
and some,
exactly. Be
you know.
smart.
Be smart.
Be safe.
Be smart and be safe.
And don't do anything you wouldn't do if I was there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now, lawyer, how much do you cost?
I am free.
He's so expensive, he's free.
How does that work?
I work on a contingency fee basis, which means I only get paid as if I help you recover money for your injuries.
Okay,
That's
because
it.
people look at, you know, and they see the ads on TV and they're like, I can't afford this guy.
Oh, yeah, no. Ice cream or retainer agreement.
Okay.
Either or, yeah.
Oh, you
All right.
like ice cream?
I
What
can be
flavor?
bribed with ice cream and
Did
cheesecake.
you go to Dom's Creamery?
I will.
In Avon?
Affogato.
Avocado.
I'll not forget about that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Well,
Bring him an affogato. He'll take care of you.
That's it.
What are you doing for the 4th?
You know, I think I'm going to hike to a beach, have a little picnic,
Nice.
and
Nice.
get some rays.
With your
Weather
wife?
Yes.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, that
Aw.
really sweet. I
Hey,
like
we
that.
had someone on the show. You can hire. She does amazing picnics. Remember what?
Oh, yeah.
She does beautiful picnics.
I'll have to look back and see.
Yeah, she sets it all up for you. Makes it really special.
Yeah,
That's
she's
extra special.
Yeah.
I'm not that bougie.
Yeah, you're not that bougie. You're going on a hike.
Yeah, I'm hiking.
Yeah.
But what if you
Sweating.
hiked and you arrived and there's this beautiful picnic set up with you?
That would be pretty spectacular.
Yeah.
All
Not
right.
gonna lie.
Well, Lawyer the Lawyer has offices in Bloomfield and New London. For more information, visit lawyerthelawyer.com. You can also call him 860-595-3163 or find him on all social media platforms at Lawyer the Lawyer.
And we want you to stay with us. We've got important first alert forecasts coming up as we go into some dangerous heat.
Yeah,
and
it's
also
really
your
gonna get
breaking
tough.
news.
All right. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate it. I'm off till the 14th. Take care.
Oh, I haven't seen the 4 is next. I'll see you there.
All right. Goodbye.